Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Name is Will for Go, and today this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing a behind the scene for my friend OSEI KWAME, and he's doing his first short film titled Jolt. And today is the production day, and
why did you make the Jolt like in inverted commas? And are you just gonna explain?
No.
Okay, no problem. I was just asking like Jolt, does it Jolt? I don't know why I do Jolt.
All right, so OSEI KWAME is here to tell you more about his short film.
Yeah, so Jolt, the father and the son having a conversation over a dinner table. They finish having dinner. They are just chillaxing, drinking beers and having a conversation. But the conversation goes from laughter to sour, so that's basically Jolt. Actually, I think I prefer the run and gun documentary work, because that one, even if you're alone, you can just carry your stuff, go and set up, record. Narratives, a different ballgame, man. This is a short film, it's a short film, and already, Charlie. Anyway, I hope you guys like it when you watch it. It's taken about 3 or 4 months, Maoli, right? Yeah, so pre-production has been slow because it's self-funded and it's a very, very low, is that what do they call it, shoestring budget? Yeah, so we have to work with people's availability when they could do it, and this is the day that we are shooting it. So, but so far so good with the setup. It's going very well. Actors are on top of their scripts and their game. The micro budgets, right? But for me, I'm treating it like I have $20 million. It's a night interior shoot, so that's what we're going to be doing with Jolt. Hopefully you see a bit more of the BTS of how we are setting up the things we are using, and then if you like what you see, you look forward to the main film when it's ready. So Jolt.
Call time was at 1 p.m. and we spent the first few hours getting food and refreshments for the crew and making sure that all props and other items needed were secured, since the actual shoot was in the evening. We had all hands on deck for setting up for the shoot, and I think our biggest challenge was setting up for the key light. You know how it feels when you have planned something for a very long time and it comes to fruition? Yeah, that is coming right now.
Yes. So I'm lights now.
So let's talk about lights.
My name is Kwame Boidi. I'm a co-DP on the set. Let's talk about the lighting. So this happens to be our key light. It's motivated by, our motivation basically is like a fixture in the room, sort of an overhead fixture in the room, lighting this space. We chose a warmer feel just to make the room feel hot, given the nature of the scene is very interrogative, so it's something to make the viewer feel uncomfortable, sort of bring more heat into the scene, sort of, yeah, generally. And we're contrasting that with a daylight, temperature lights coming from the outside, just to create some color contrast. We're probably going to have this cyan or something to create even more contrast within the scene. So yeah.
We are using 2.6K pros with 50mm and then 50mm on this one too as well, with a filter, a Blackmagic Hollywood 1/8 on both cameras, and then there's a transmitter, and that's the director's monitor to use so that the director can see the live view of both cameras. Yeah, it's crazy.
Now, it was amazing working with like-minded creatives on this project to be able to bring it to life. Also, this short film was inspired by his own personal experiences with his father. You can find the link to the full video in the description below, and enjoy this trailer from the short film. See you in the next one.
Explaining.
Time.
Are you mad?
Say, as usual, with his bullying tactics.